I'm going to tell you 5 things that I love about my S550 Mustang GT. In one of my previous videos I went through the 5 things I hated about my Mustang, so I thought it's only fair that this time I do a video on the 5 things I love about this Mustang. Watch till the end for a great tip on your car. And if you can think of something that you love about your Mustang, drop me a comment below and let me know. Let's start with the styling. The styling on this car is absolutely amazing. Ford, you certainly got it right this time. Just like the way that the front wing or fender flows into the actual door, and then that part of the car flows into the rear widened wheel arch, giving that car that amazing wide stance from the back. I love it. The bonnet on this car is never ending, and when you're sat behind that steering wheel driving the car, it just goes on forever into the distance, just letting you know that you are behind the wheel of something very special. Also, the mean look of this front bumper, which screams at anybody, "Get out of my way, I am very powerful," and which also nurses the iconic pony in the middle. Just beautiful. So my car came with Custom Pack 3. And this included the climate control seats. One of the other options available in this car was Recaro seats. But if you took this option, that would mean you'd be giving up your heated and cooled seats. No way. These seats are amazing. They keep your rear cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Just perfect. Those of you who know me know that I love gadgets and new technology, so these are just perfect for me. Along with the heated steering wheel, I am never cold in this car during the winter months. It's like being wrapped in a heated blanket, keeping you warm. The Mustang GT comes with a 5-litre V8 power plant hidden under its enormous bonnet. This gives you around 440 brake horsepower out the box, enough power for all occasions. But it's not just that. It's the sound of the roar of the engine and also that silky smooth delivery of that horsepower when you push your foot to the floor. The way you are pushed into the seat due to the almost 400 foot-pounds of torque being delivered on your command is amazing. This is like getting supercar power for just a little bit over family car money. In fact, one of my previous cars was the Land Rover Discovery Sport, which cost me £44,000. I got this car for just 5k more than that. What a bargain. This car comes as standard with an active exhaust system, but not just your usual fully open, fully closed. Oh no, Ford went to town on this one and give you 4 different modes of operation. Yes, 4. You get to choose from quiet mode, normal mode, sport mode, and racetrack mode. Well, for me, I only really need one mode. Yep, and that's racetrack. Well, why wouldn't you? It sounds awesome with exhaust fully open. So now when you are behind the wheel, get that roar of that V8 and that amazing, awesome sound of the exhaust. All under control of your right foot. Sometimes wish I was stood outside of this car as it shoots by so you can hear the amazing sound it makes. Like this. So the last thing I love about my Mustang, and probably the best, is its modability. Is that even a word? I've had this car for about 18 months now, and already I've done the following. Fitted a cold air intake, installed Magnaride lowering springs, added Steeder jacking rails, installed bonnet struts, added an X-pipe to the exhaust, installed boot poppers, added side air scoops. installed a Ford Performance strut brace, and many other mods to boot. Check out my Mustang GT playlist on my YouTube channel to see every mod that I've done to this car in full detail. So drop me a comment below of any mods that you've done that you think I should do to my car. Now for that tip, as you're probably aware, you can turn off the traction control just by flicking up on this button. But are you aware that if you hold this button for 5 seconds, you can turn off all stability control on this car, giving you just that little bit more fun. Now if you crash your car after turning that off, don't blame me. So if you like this type of video, wanna go watch this one?